Hello and welcome to Yota's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making something very simple, just marinara sauce. It's not going to be too complicated. It doesn't have a lot of ingredients. In fact, the ingredients are 1 small onion, 3 small cloves of garlic, some oregano, Greek oregano, 28-ounce can of crushed tomato. I have the olive oil in the pan warming up, and then I'm going to be adding the onion. So once that's translucent, I'm going to be adding the garlic, and from the garlic I'm going to be adding the oregano, and then once I have that all together I'm going to add the tomato sauce. I'll be back shortly to show you the next step. Thank you. Hello and welcome back to Yota's Kitchen. I wanted to show you the onions, the garlic, and the oregano. And I'm just going to let it cook just a little bit together so that it can infuse. And then I'm going to be adding the tomato sauce. Now, I don't know if I mentioned that it's 1.5 tablespoons of oregano. It's Greek oregano. If you don't have what I showed you, whatever you have dried is fine. And also the tomato sauce is a 28-ounce crushed tomato sauce. I always buy unflavored because I'm going to be adding my flavors to it. I don't need anybody else's. And when I make marinara sauce, I do not add basil. I find that basil is bitter, and I don't like to use it. I'd rather use oregano. So when I have everything completed and it's cooked, I will show you the end result. Thank you very much. Okay, my marinara sauce is done, complete. It's been cooking for about an hour now. Everything is incorporated, and the onions and garlic are cooked, so it's ready to be used. You can use it on anything you want, spaghetti, macaroni, other dishes that you might have prepared. So thank you for watching and have a great day.